In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to SSH into DigitalOcean with a key. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a new droplet so it accepts your SSH public key, which is a safer and more convenient alternative to using a password. Before we start, make sure you already have an SSH key pair on your computer. That's the combination of a private key that stays on your machine and a public key that you can safely share. You'll typically find the public key in a file like idrsa.pub or IDE25519.pub inside your .ssh folder. We're only going to paste the public key into DigitalOcean, never the private key. If you don't have a key yet, generate one on your local machine first and keep it protected with a passphrase. Head to DigitalOcean.com and sign in. From your dashboard, look to the top right and click the Create button. In the menu that opens, choose Droplets. This takes you to the droplet creation page where you can pick things like the operating system, plan, and data center region. You can adjust those as you need, but our focus here is the authentication section. Scroll down until you find the authentication method. Select the option for SSH keys. You'll see a choice to use an existing key or add a new one. Choose SSH key, then click Add SSH key to open the field where you can paste your public key. Open your public key file on your computer and copy its contents. It will start with something like SSH RSA or SSH EOED25519, followed by a long string. Paste that entire line into the SSH key content box. Below it, give the key a clear name, like the device or purpose, so you'll recognize it later. The name is just a label and won't affect how the key works. Double check that you pasted the public key, not the private one. The private key usually has no .pub extension and should never be shared. Click Add SSH key to save it to your account. You should now see the key listed and selected for this droplet. With that done, scroll to the bottom and click Create Droplet. DigitalOcean will provision the server and install your public key so that the default user on the droplet will accept your key for login. Once the droplet is ready, you can use your private key from your computer to connect securely. Keep that private key safe, back it up securely, and consider using a passphrase. You can reuse this saved key for future droplets, making setup faster and more consistent. That's it. Your droplet is now configured to accept SSH key authentication.